Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable auto-delete YouTube activity history on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable auto-delete YouTube activity history on Google Chrome, go to your Google Chrome browser and in search type My Activity. And here you will find the first link. Welcome to My Activity. Click on it. And here you will find YouTube history. Just click on YouTube history. Scroll down. And here you will find auto delete. And now it's turned off. Click on choose an auto delete option. And here you will find the first option, auto delete activity older than. And now 36 months is selected. Click on the drop down menu here. You will find 18 months and 3 months. I am selecting 3 months. That means auto delete activity older than 3 months. And now it's selected. Now click on next and then click on confirm and click on got it. And look, now auto delete is turned on right now. This is the easiest way to turn on or enable auto delete YouTube activity history on Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.